is day 3 on the fodder system. And if you can see that, we're starting to get little sprouts. Day 5. The fodder system. 5 or 6, I believe it's day 6. It's looking pretty good. Day 7 of the fodder system. It's looking pretty darn good. Getting ready to feed. Maybe a day or 2. It's day 8 on the fodder system. And I think we're gonna let it go 1, maybe 2 more days before we feed it to the birds and the reds. And they can eat it, roots, everything. It's got great nutrients for them and a nice break in the wintertime from grain and dry hay. And I think we might try the tray with the bunnies today. It's looking pretty good. I'm just amazed. So we're gonna feed the rabbits this fodder carpet, as you can see, and they eat it. They eat it all, roots and all. I'm just amazed how beautiful that is, how it grew. So I'm gonna cut this into some little squares, and we're gonna take it to the bunnies. Anyway, you get the gist. I'm gonna get this cut up, and then we'll give it to the bunnies. Let's go in the bunnies here. Hi, guys. Hi, I got a special surprise for you, Lucky. Are you excited? It smells good. Yeah, let me see here. There we go. Okay, Lucky. Yeah, you smell it? You're such a cute boy. Here. Oh, I hear your neighbor over there making. Here you go. Here, Lucky. What do you think of that? Oh, that's like real food, man. Iris loves it. Here, sweetie. There you go. Is that good, Iris? What a treat. Your babies are looking good. Yeah, they are. Hi, baby bunnies. And then there's this weirdo up here on top of the cages. Hi. Chickens are going to enjoy the fodder. Yeah. There's another one over here, ladies. Pheasants are going to enjoy it, looks like. We'll bring them a whole tray out. So it looks like they're going to really like it.